Welcome back to the Energy for Life concept. Today it's our program which called acupressure in the face. Again, it's activating of our face as it was yesterday, and it takes only 5 minutes, not more. But it makes so great effects that your skin will be radiate, you will feel refreshed, full of energy, full of the dreams about the future, very positive, very cheering up. So it was worthwhile to try. And we start now. In our face exist 5 very important points, which is, I call them beauty points. Point number 1, it's here in your chin. So just in the middle, here. So I take usually 2 fingers and put in my chin, close my eyes and massage, very, very nice, activating this point. And we change the direction. Make the circles in another direction, and very deep breath. This point is responsible for your throat, responsible for your lungs. It goes down to your stomach. It's responsible for activity in the stomach, and it's responsible for your genitals. So it's a very important point in your body, and we not activate this enough. So please pay attention and take 1 per day, about 15 seconds to activate this point. Next point in our face, it's situated just close to the lips, in the middle of the lips, just under your nose. And again, this point is very important and very nice to activate, and you just close the eyes and 15 seconds make the massage in one direction, and then you change the direction. And you feel a little bit numb. Yeah, numbness, it's a sign for that you do this right. This point is responsible for you sometimes headache, so it's in the head. It's responsible for your neck and all of these troubles which our neck have. It's responsible for all of your spine down to the vertebra, the last vertebra in the spine. So if you have some trouble in this area, please remember this point can lose the tensions and can make you circulation in this area, make you a little bit more comfortable. Very nice. Again, deep breath and breathe out. Next point. Next point situated in the both ends of our mouth, in the lips, in this direction and in this direction. We take again these 2 fingers together and place them in the mouth, and then start to make the circles. Very, very nice circles. One direction and another direction. Very nice. It's a 15 seconds. It's not big deal. It's very short time, but it gives very big effect. These 2 points, it's responsible for the immunity. It's responsible for the ability to smell. And a lot of people, as older they can't smell so good. And if you not smell the food what you eat, it's not so pleasant. So pay attention on these 2 points and massage them every day. And also parodontosis and all of the trouble with the teeth. Next 2 points. Before we do this, remember we finished always with a deep breath in and breath out. Do this in your own way. Next 2 points is situated for both sides of the nose. So you put 2 fingers and start to open the nose. Very nice point if you have some sinus or your nose is blocked. Or for example, just now it's a period of the flu. So it's really good to massage and open your nose every day. So 15 minutes, about 10 times in one direction, 10 times in another direction. Very nice. Yeah, very nice. And again we finished with a deep breath in and breathe out. Very nice. Next 2 points, it's situated in the temples here. So you put 2 fingers and with your 2 thumbs, it's just support your chin and you start to rotate, but you not press so much. It's just very nice slow rotation in one direction, 10 times. Very slow, very nice. And then rotation in another direction. Slow and nice, easy. It's a headache. It's some trouble with the eyes when you can't concentrate anymore. Very nice 2 points. 10 times, very nice. It makes you quiet and easy. And we finished our 5-point massage with a very important point, which is called sometimes the third eye. It's situated between the eyebrows, and we support our thumbs laying in the chin, and with 2 fingers again we place them between the eyebrows and start to make the small nice circles. 10 circles in one direction. Yes, and 10 circles in another direction. Very nice. And we finish today again with the same 3 very deep breaths in and 3 breathes out with the sound of ah. Why we do this sound? Because when you make the sound, also it's your breath start to be a little bit more deep because you're paying attention. One thing, another thing, that when you're in love, for example, you make the same sound. Ah, ah. If you feel that some beauty around you, you make the same sound. Ah, it's very deep sound, very nice, very relaxing. And we do this together. Deep breath in, breathe out. Again, in, out. And third time, in. You can close your eyes and think, such a wonderful day. Thank you for your attention. We will meet in another program, Energy for Life, serving you. Thank you.